You're no slave. There happened a story you must see to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Whoville celebration!
Ring the bells of holiday cheer! The grandest of moments is almost here!
Good day! Happy holidays to you all! Welcome to our town, both the big and the small. I am the Mayhew of Whoville, and the Book of Who proclaims we welcome all to join in our grandest tradition. Who's over here? Who's over there? Who's from every which way and where? Welcome to the Whoville!
Trim up the tree with Christmas stuff, and bingo balls and hoo-hoo fluff. Trim up the town with goo-hoo gums and beers all these. And trim up the tree with drizzle, drinks and wines.
Hooray!
Mayor Mayhew, what is the meaning of Christmas?
Presents, parties, food.
Mayor Mayhew, who is the Grinch?
You see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch is a who. Well, he's not really a who, he's actually more of a...
What?
Exactly.
You see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season.
Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be that his head wasn't screwed on quite right.
It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight.
But we think the most likely reason of all may be that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Yes, the Who's here in Whoville liked Christmas a lot.
But Christmas has to mean more than twinkling lights. It's the magic of gifts that makes Christmas so bright.
That's sweet, my dear little Cindy Lou. Now, on you go, lots to do. Bring it out, boys!
I've got the Christmas tree, I got the memories, I got the box of decorations. I've got the tinsel strung, the mistletoe's been hung, I got the means of celebration. I've got the lights down low, the skies are dreaming snow. I've got the Yule log burning bright, and by the Christmas tree I've got you here with me. I've got the perfect Christmas night, and by that Christmas tree I've got you here with me. I've got the perfect Christmas night. Merry Christmas.
The town of Whoville is proud to announce the winner of this year's Humanitarian Award. Now we have someone very special presenting the award. Welcome, little Cindy Lou Who.
As a representative of the town of Whoville, I am very proud to present this special 1000th Humanitarian Award to Mr. Grinch! Is he coming? Is Mr. Grinch
Merry Grinchmas, you filthy animals. And a happy New Year. Hey, DJ! Huh? Give me a bouncy sheet. And this hat, I'll look just like King Nick.
Mr. Grinch.
You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. I will touch you with a...
No!
muy caliente, no? All right. I believe I'm here to accept an award of some kind. And the child mentioned a check.
No, I didn't.
There is no check!
What? No check?
No check!
Oh, all right, fine, then give me the award. While I'm young, come on.
The town of Whoville proudly bestows upon you its highest honor.
Wait! He stole our Christmas!
No.
What?
Prove it.
Well, what's in the bag?
Martha's phone number?
Cute. Really cute. What's in the bag, Skipper?
Now wait, hold on a sec. Whoa. All right, I confess, you got me. I did it. I took it to Mount Crumpet, to the tip top to dump it. Oh no, I'm rhyming. There you go. I took all your Christmas. You have me, it's true. But with this feeling inside, I brought it back to you. Guys, you guys. I brought it back to you guys.
Can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinchmas! Bring me the book!
Get the book! Get the book! Where's the book? Hurry with the book! Get the book!
And I quote, "The term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply."
Yes, but the Book of Who also states, no matter how different who may appear, they will always be welcome with holiday cheer. Mr. Grinch, you've shown us the true meaning. Nothing's been missed. And because of your deed, you deserve this. Your cheek is so...
I know. Hairy.
No.
What, dirty? Oily? Do I have a zit?
No.
What?
Warm.
Oh.
Forest of
What is this?
Christmas, come this way. Come, forest of
Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
What? Oh, Max! Help me! Oh, I'm feeling...
Ew. Ow. Looking around, he puzzled. And he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas,
He thought.
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. Welcome, Christmas. Bring your cheer to all who's far and near. Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we. So welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart. As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! Now count with me, one and all, from 5 to 1, who's tall and small. Are you ready?
Wait, double wait. I forgot one little bulb. And here we go. I did it.
So the Grinch saved Christmas. And all through the town, all the Who's here in Whoville watched the snow falling down.